Where are you going, guys?
Yeah.
Go on, up you go.
It's your first time, isn't it?
First time at church.
Yay, what are you going to do at church?
You excited? So I'm going to church.
The governor's heirs, we will persuade him and secure you.
Just get prayed for. Go and take them.
Raise the joy, raise your joy, asking you, Father, I humble myself, and I'm asking you if it is your will, oh God, that you will touch us, God,
Yes, Lord. Amen. Amen.
Amen. Lord, help me to settle down in school, mighty God. Help me to be obedient. But I keep going to the school. I need to change.
I'm on my way. Let's go through the
Oh!
I can't wait to say hallelujah.
That baby was on Shrek.
Thank you, darling. Oh, I see a big old dog there. Are you ready, guys? Yeah.
whole body.
Amen.
So we're home, and yeah, we just went to church for the first time. Well, for me, the first time in about, I'm 35, so I've not been to church since I was about 13. So it's been so long, and yeah, it was the children's first time at church as well. And yeah, just what an amazing experience. It was lovely. The church was just really joyful. It was so happy. Honestly, just being back there again just felt like I was in my childhood again. It just like really reconnected me. Theo loved it. He went up to the front at a point of it, and yeah, he was dancing, he was singing. Hazel loved it. As you know, Hazel's still 3 years old, so she gets a bit tired in the day, so she fell asleep, bless her. And I think this little one's gonna fall asleep any minute now, but yeah, we had such a lovely experience going to church. Because the light is a bit dark in there.
I can't.
Still dark here.
How am I supposed to sit down?
Just come up. Cool. But yeah, it was such a lovely experience. How was it for you, darling? Because obviously it was your first time going to church in a long time. First time going to church in Jamaica. But yeah, how was it for you?
It was. Well, I thought it was brilliant. I thought it was amazing. Honestly, I'm not even. I reckon I had. I promise you. I swear. I reckon I had a bit of a religious experience.
Oh.
No, I swear to God, it was really beautiful. Because obviously in England, you don't even like the church now is like almost a dirty word or something. Point is there's people there, like a proper community. It was busy.
Yeah.
And the people there, like they're playing like live. They got the live music with the drums and a guitar and an organist like on a keyboard, and it all feels like really. It's really it's formal, yeah, but it's not like uptight and really stuffy. Like you can't like scratch your face, you know, in an English church, but it's formal and it's really nice. And yeah, it was really good because they're playing the music and you're singing like you did if you went to primary school in England, like you went to like a Protestant Church of England school in England, you used to get all that. So you used to sing. They used to do the beginning of every assembly, and because we used to go to church when we were kids as well, we used to hear the prayers and we used to do the prayers and we used to sing the hymns, and it kind of feels like that, like really nice, honestly.
Yeah,
and
really.
The people that I know I'm going on, so chop it down. And then the people there are like really obviously passionate about it. There's a real sense of community.
Yeah.
Like it's just like a really beautiful experience. Honestly, this is one of the reasons. Honestly, like why we came to Jamaica.
We want to go back as well. Now
I
we've
definitely
been,
wanna go
we want to keep going. So
Oh,
yeah, it was so wonderful.
My
really,
dream
really
is to get
wonderful.
Theodore to be like reading some of the prayers, and not just Theodore, but the children. That's your what? Did you enjoy the church?
Yes.
You went up, didn't you,
were
at the
singing and
front?
you went up. I honestly feel spiritually electrified from it. I'm not laughing like taking the mickey. I know it probably sounds like that, but I would.
No, it's good if that's how you feel.
I would
That's
100% go
lovely
back.
word. So you come away from the church and you feel really good and feel really positive and yeah, and there's just, you've got really good feeling, really good energy.